Baby Yana. Oy. Hindi ko sikita. Are you sleepy? Tahimik ng aking anak.
Yes, Mr. Wilson.
Hello? Hi, my baby Yana. We just finished our passport. Tapos na kami sa aming passport. Hi, struggle is real. Struggle is real yung baby namin. It's so cute si baby Yana. Struggle yung passport namin. Umuulan to sa labas. Ang lakas ng ulan. Finally, nagawa na namin yung aming trabaho. You can take this off, baby Yana. You can take this off if you want to. Mama will take it off. Take it off, Granny. There you go. Take it off, mommy. Take it off, let's go. Mama will take this off. There you go. There you go. There you go. Done. That's happy. Ano mangyari sa damit ng baby Yana? Copyright na. Magka-copyright tayo kasi maingay. Maingay ang ating ano. Pam, pam. Magkakapi lang kami. May exposure pala tayo, baby. Nakatapos na namin sa aming passport. Hindi pala, sa kanyang passport. Nagawa na namin, tapos na babalikan namin siya katapusan ng buwan. So finally, that's done. And we're so happy. And the baby is happy too. Stand up, baby. Can you stand up? So they... Oh, no. Wait, my phone is going down. Go. You see now it's... Where's the exposure? Where's the exposure? It was right there before.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I think so. No, I paid. I think so for 6 months. Something I paid. I'll check. I'll be having all the.
Ano ba yan? Lubat na yung ating cellphone, baby Yana. Hanggang dito na lang yung ating video for today's vlog. Thank you for watching.
I paid for a couple of years, sir. Let me just find out.
Where are we going, baby Yana? I'm going to fix Daddy's watch. Huh? Need to fix Daddy's watch. Baby. Yay! Baby Yana! We need to fix Daddy's watch. It's in the bag. It's in the bag. Chukiti-kiti pa. Nasa baby Yana. Kiti-kiti pa may baby Yana. Hello, baby Yana. Maganda po ba itong camera natin, baby? Oh, akala ko hindi maganda. Di ba, baby Yana? O, nandito lang tayo sa isa. Maganda yung lightning. Dito kami sa ano, watch repair shop. Magpaparepair ng kanyang ano, relo. Di ba, baby Yana? Look at your baby Yana. That's so cute. That's my baby Yana. So cutie pie. Where's my baby Yana? Oh, you drop it. Now, you don't have toy. Nakalimutan natin yung mga toy mo. What they're doing, baby Yana? What they're doing?